Welcome to the Bluebeam Revu tutorial by Brighter Graphics. In this video, we will see how to import toolsets in Bluebeam Revu 21. Let's see how you can do this. After opening Revu 21 on your desktop, open your tool chest panel. To import new toolsets shared by your team members, click the tool chest drop-down at the top, then click Manage Toolsets. A Manage Toolsets dialog box will appear. Click the Import button. Browse to the location where your toolset file is saved. Your file folder should contain the Bluebeam Revu toolset.btx file you want to import. Click to select the file. Then, click Open. Your selected toolset will now appear in the list. Make sure it is checked or enabled so it shows in your tool chest. Once you are done, click OK to proceed. Your toolset will now be available in the tool chest panel, ready to use. The toolset is imported with the title BG Tools, while the file name is used only as its path. Revu recognizes the toolset by its original title because it was exported from the same system as BG Tools. Watch our next video on how to export toolsets in Bluebeam Revu 21. For more Bluebeam tips and tricks, stay connected with Brighter Graphics.